What is going on, guys? All right, so today we've got a little project going on. I got a couple of 2x4s and some eye bolts and a couple of ratchet straps. We are going to see if we can make a DIY trailer stabilization, and we'll see if this really works. Find out right after this. All right, so now all four of them look like this right here. So just imagine that being under the camper. All right, so what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna measure up maybe 6 or 8 inches on each one of these and drill a pilot hole for these eye bolts that screw in with a drill bit that is slightly smaller than this. Just to save you a little bit of time from messing up like I did, you want to, the side that you have your point on, you want to screw in your eye bolt to that side because it's supposed to sit under the camper like that and pull too. I messed up the first time. Learn from my mistakes. Ha! All right, so the theory is the same as the expensive ones. Like, you just prop it up against the frame of the camper on both sides, and then you use your ratchet strap to connect the eye bolt from this side and the other side. Okay, so I got the front and the back installed. And the final verdict is it helps. It definitely helps. At least it's something, you know, it's better than nothing. So we're gonna keep rocking it for now, and I guess we're gonna try to figure something else out. All right, thanks for watching. Later.